welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here today with my Boxycharm base box unboxing for the month of October. So stick around, we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I so appreciate you being part of the family and joining me again on my video. It does mean so much. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. I do unboxings, try-ons, typically a What's New Wednesday. I have been just a little bit off, so I'm trying to get back in my groove after moving to get scheduled uploads for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into this Boxycharm base box unboxing for the month of October. And so previously I did the premium box for the month of October for Boxycharm. This is the base box, and it is the Spellbound is the theme with that beautiful purple. Tried to do the purple on my eyes. I'm kind of in the purple darker kind of look versus the autumn look, although I know that that sounds funny. But anyways, we do have a couple of changes. They are changing things from the Boxycharm add-on kind of things to a drop shop. And so that was the 11th, which was yesterday. Also Choice was yesterday. And then we have another mega drop shop happening on November 8th. And then the Boxy Beauty Bash, which is early November. That is the annual sale for everything. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in, and I'm going to do the very first product. So the first thing that I have in here is this Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. So not disappointed about the product per se, but I literally last month in my Boxycharm, the light outside keeps changing, sorry. Literally in my box, for Boxycharm last month, got the exact same palette. I'm not going to open this or touch this at all. I'm going to leave it for a giveaway when I get to 50. I will show you this again, even though it's a repeat of last month. It is by Beauty Bakery. It has 4 different highlighting colors right there. There is not a mirror. There is kind of a bronze color, and then this, although it looks very pinky, is not, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch them. So this is kind of ends up on me being kind of a pink champagne color. This color does end up being a little more gold, but it is not super dark, so it is usable even for me as pale skin. This is a very light icy champagne. All 3 of these fairly usable, although of course these 2 will show up a little bit more depending on what look you have. This one for me though is not something that I can use other than a bronzer topper or for my eyes. So they're not bad. I think they're beautiful highlights. I do have other highlights that I like more. That's just a personal preference. These feel just a little bit chalky. They're not super silky. But this Beauty Bakery palette retails for $38. They say that they are long lasting and supposed to be evenly blended. So there you go. That's my first product. The second product that I have here, and I do have this on today underneath all my makeup, is the Laura Geller Primer. And so this is the Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer Hydrate. Farewell to dry, flaky skin. Quench your skin's thirst with this 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer and save time on your beauty regimen. I did actually already put a hydrating moisturizer underneath before I put this on. That was kind of just always what I do, so I did that as well. I don't think it looks oily or greasy. It did smooth on very well. Since it's my first time trying it, I can't say if it's going to make my makeup last longer or not. It does claim to be a nourishing formula that brightens and replenishes skin for a healthier complexion. Create a smooth canvas. $32 retail value. They do have the regular spackle primer, not with the hydrate one. That has been an OG for Laura Geller. I know lots of people swear by it. So certainly excited to use this and see what I think about it. Retail value for that is $32. I don't know if I said that. The next product that I have here is a pair of eyelashes. These are Kamara and a Unique Beauty Mary Lash. So this is a very natural lash. Retail value $32. This is brand new to Boxycharm. I will open it up. I did actually see, oh my goodness, I forget who the YouTuber was. I will insert the name. My brain just hasn't been working with my migraines. I know that sounds crazy, but things fly out of my mind and don't stay there. So I'll put the name of the YouTuber, but she did actually use these. They looked beautiful. I do really enjoy the case that they're in. So they're in kind of a plastic reusable case here that comes off fairly easy, only because I'm talking about it does it not come off easy right now. So you just pull that back off, this pops out, and then you can reuse them. I will not put them on today because I do have my Glamnetic lashes on. For me, these Glamnetic lashes are just a little bit big because I don't typically wear ones this big, but they do stay on pretty well. And anyways, this is not about Glamnetic. This is about Kamara A Unique Beauty. Retail value $25. It looks like a beautiful lash. It is angled, so shorter in the center, longer on the outside. So definitely we'll try these out. And then along with that, so kind of to pair with it, is by Appeal. So this is Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner. And this is one of these ones where you apply the liquid liner and then you apply the lash right away. Don't wait. And it is supposed to stick right away, be easier than the typical lash glue kind of thing. The reason that I have these Glamnetic eyelashes on is because I am terrible at doing strip lashes. I either need to do individual lashes, which those I enjoy, but it's a pain in the butt for me to put them on and take them off all the time. Or something like this might not be bad. I will go ahead and open this. It is a jet black liner, so it does have a color to it. They do have ones that have no color, and I have tried one from Amazon. My scissors are back here. From Amazon, and it did not work super great. So I'm hoping that this does a better job of it. And we'll see what happens. The retail value on this is actually $29. I do know for a fact that you can find quite a few that are less expensive than this, but if this works better, absolutely worth the price. We're gonna go ahead and swatch it right there. It does come out nice and jet black. It does seem nice and smooth. And it is already tacky. So definitely we'll try this in my next video and kind of give you guys an update, or may do a complete video on this just so you can see how it works. Does it really last? My inner corners always pop up. I don't know why. It is my eye shape or how I apply it or something, but I'm hoping that with this that solves the problem. So not mad about it. My last product, sorry, my battery died, which every YouTuber understands. My last product is from TYNT Beauty. This is a Lash and Brow Duo, retail value $29. It says this duo solves the endless search for mascara and brow gel. It combines two products in one. The mascara is created with a smooth, oil-rich formula and strong color payoff, leaving lashes longer, naturally fuller looking, and thicker without clump, which I do appreciate. And the brow gel is fine, creamy, and enough color to achieve natural hair-like strokes. That's interesting. I am not really sure. It says that this is black lash and brown brow. And so I tend to be not really brown. I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time with the lighting here. Natural light. I tend to be more taupe color versus brown. So I do love the packaging. They are color dependent so that you can easily see what it is. The black is the mascara, the brown is the brow gel. It is kind of a smooth finish on here. Let's go ahead and open the mascara. It is a small wand there, and if you can see on the very end of that, it is a thick formula because that is quite a tail on that mascara. Interesting to try that. And then the brown, as I get mascara all over everything. The brown brow gel, very kind of a small wand, not super small, and the brown color is definitely dark brown. So I think this color is too dark for me Although I suppose if I did it lightly in my brows, it might be okay. We'll have to try it out and see what we think, but I do like the idea of this, although with a brow gel, I do sometimes find that I need to use a pencil to fill in, and so I'm not sure about this combination, but I do, it's not bad, it's not bad. Certainly nice for on the go if you like to do touch-ups for your brow or your mascara. I typically don't, because once I'm done with my makeup, that's it. I typically don't want to have to touch it again other than my lips. I know that sounds lazy, but that's just the way I am. So definitely try this. Retail value for this, I said, was $29. I have the Variation 004BA for my Boxycharm this month. Other than that repeat palette that I'm a little salty about because I got the same exact one last month, I really do like all the products in my base box. I definitely like my base box a little more than the premium box. I think there is a better value there in my opinion. I really don't mind it. What did you guys think about your Boxycharms this month? What are you super excited to use? Please drop me a line. Let me know. Also, let me know if you want to see, I'm pretty sure I'm going to do a video on the eyelash and the eyeliner and kind of give you a trial run on that and let you know what I think about it. So maybe that'll be my next video. So tune in for that. Please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really enjoyed having you. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.